So, we've been told that silicones are bad. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a time when silicones are okay. And we are covering, because today we're covering moisturizing conditioners. Hey y'all, my name is Dasha. I'm also known as the hair doula, and today we are talking about moisturizing conditioners. That could be a rinse out conditioner, it could be a deep conditioner. Oftentimes, I think it is a deep conditioner. Anyways, everyone needs to use these from time to time, especially if you're a curly girl, because our hair tends to, be on the drier side. There's nothing wrong with that. It just means that there are certain things that we do to help to keep it hydrated and moisturized. And moisturizing deep conditioner is one of the things that we do for that. If you have higher porosity and or higher density hair, then when you're using a moisturizing conditioner, you're gonna wanna use one that's heavier on the oils and the butters. So you want to see oils and butters towards the top of the list. If you have low porosity or low density hair, then you want something that's lighter. So you wanna see those oils and butters farther down the list. So it's so funny because a lot of people claim that they're low porosity, but then they're putting these really heavy products on their hair. And so they're kind of doing it backwards. In another video, I talk about porosity, and so I'll make sure to link that video. But you want to make sure, again, that you're paying attention to your hair and what your hair needs, and not just what other people are doing with their hair, because their hair could be very different from your hair. So take that into consideration when you're picking your moisturizing shampoo, okay? Got low porosity, low density, you're gonna need something that's lighter. High porosity, high density, you're gonna need something that's heavier. Cool? Cool, I got you, girl. Now, silicones, when do you use them? If you are a curly girl who uses direct heat, you do blowouts, you do silk presses, things like that, that's when it is beneficial to have a conditioner that has silicones in it. So silicones are not bad all the time. You just gotta know how and when to use them. So if you're not a curly girl who uses heat on your hair, I don't recommend silicones. But if you are a curly girl who uses direct heat, not a hooded dryer, that's indirect heat, but who uses direct heat, like flat ironing it or something, then a conditioner with silicones will actually be beneficial for you and help to keep your hair doing what it does, what it needs to do. It will make sure your hair is giving what it was supposed to have gave, so to speak. That's what isn't that what the thing says? You ain't giving what you was supposed to have gave. Well, anyways, moving right along. Moisturizing conditioners that curly specialists recommend. TGIN Honey Miracle Deep Conditioner and the Camille Rose Coconut Water Penetrating Hair Treatment. That is a mouthful. You should be able to find both of those in grocery stores or a beauty supply store or something of that nature. Try to make sure that anything that I'm recommending to y'all, it's easy to find universally for the most part. So that's all I got for you today. Again, my name is Dasha. I'm also known as the hair doula. Please let me know if you found this video helpful or if there are things that you would have liked to know or things that you feel like I could improve on. I want to know all of that down below. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see y'all soon. Love you, bye.